That is pretty bad, look at that. Well, here goes nothing. That's what you need to build an engine. What's going on, guys, and welcome to another video of Hoodstick. In this wonderful weather of 100 miles per hour wind, today we're going to attempt to change the cam cover gasket on the Audi TT that's leaking from the previous video. So we got this from GSF Car Parts for £21. Of course, we went to Halfords and we got ourselves a sealant. Being advised, this sealant is one of the best ones because it's good for high temperatures. So of course, if the engine gets hot, the thing will bleed out. So we're going to do that right now. And the most important tool which we had to get, can like adjust the Newton meters, you can see right there, and that way we can tighten up the cam exactly in all the screws properly, because apparently if you do it normally you could crack this cam cover, and we don't want to do that. We're going to use that to do a lot more things. For example, rebuilding engines. It's good for torquing up the engine when you rebuild it, so that's why we got it. So we're not going to waste any more time and we're going to go and do this. Got to get some gloves as well. I'm not too sure if I have to take pipe off. There's chaos out there. Next thing is to open. We are going to open these. Just had a look at it. Is to spin these off. It's not like the other Jubilee clips that you need to have a snap to open it. So good thing that's there. Open this up now. Look at that. You can actually see the amount of oil it's actually picking up through the intake. Look at that. That's crazy, right? Oh, that's nice. That's clever. Do this one as well. Alright then, so we'll come back to the next day because we gave up and obviously the battery died. The weather's looking a bit better now, but let's just carry on with the cam cover gasket. One of the, I'd say, the awkward job to do in the Audi TT. I found it pretty awkward. I just couldn't be bothered to do it, but it just has to be done. It just needs to be done. But anyway, 3 screws at the front, 3 screws at the back, and then there's like 3 screws in the middle, and obviously all the mess that's there. And I think it's time to take it off now. Obviously you got to take this off, and so we're about to do that now. And just to mention one last thing, there was this heat shield thing, yeah, that I don't even understand why. I've watched so many YouTube videos and none of them have this, so I'm guessing they don't put that back on there. And it was a nightmare to get to the last one because it was blocking. It's not that it was a nightmare. I've actually, like, it was rounded, the screws were. I just couldn't be bothered to like get a tool that would just open them up. And to be fair, like I said, I haven't seen that on them. Whether I want to put it back on again, I'm not too sure. But anyway, there you go. And there's a cam cover gasket. Wow, horrible looking one. It's underneath it. Wow, that is looking bad. That is looking bad. We brought heavy duty brake parts cleaner, brake cleaner, to clean all this up. And inside there, that looks pretty new, that belt does. Obviously I know from the Skyline experience you can never tell, but that looks pretty neat. It looks like someone has changed the cam belt on that. Although I do have a service book, I just haven't looked at it, but it looks pretty good. It's so stuck on. It's all oily. Rubbish gasket. Wouldn't be surprised if it's either never been changed or it's an eBay one, because it feels really, really weak. There we go. Got it out now. That is pretty bad. Look at that. It's even ripping here as well. Well, we don't need that anymore. And look at that, all the oil's seeping through. Hopefully when we put the new cam cover gasket on there, the engine light that's on the dashboard should disappear. Oh, almost forgot the middle one. There we go. Literally just now we cleaned the cam cover gasket out. We put the 5-inch gasket, we applied that at 4 corners, one there, one there, one there, and one there, and on the moon as well. No hesitation, because so far so good. Now this is the easy bit. Well, I hope so. Don't need any sealant for that, it just pops right in. Just like that. And now let's put the cam cover on. Right, well here goes nothing. No. Oh. Middle one. Work our way through, yeah. Get the back ones. Crisscross. And kapow! We put the cam cover gasket on. Now we're going to start the car up and see if everything's all sorted. Here's the keys. There we go. And guess what? We don't have an engine light. No Christmas lights today. I think that's a success, to be honest. There was like a couple of lights on there before we bought it, and the engine light, and it's all gone. No vibrations, it's running smooth. Sweet as a nut. Now to top this up, we've got the jet wash, we've got all the generator, and we're gonna, I think the TT deserves a good wash. Ah, it sounds so good. There is one final issue, and that's this damage here, which we need to rectify. We need to get a wing. Such a small car to wash. That's one thing I realise. I do want to do the first drive just to make sure the car drives perfectly fine. Tell me what you guys think, drop a comment down below, and again, you know, we're just gonna keep on hammering down on these cars, fix them, sell them, so we can get to the project cars. So again, thank you very much for watching. May the Almighty bless